Fats Domino, rock and roll legend, 1928 to 2017. The New Orleans Kid, born Antoine Domino Jr. on February 26, 1928, young Fats learned piano from his brother-in-law, jazz musician Harrison Ver- Verrett. By age 14, he was performing in local honky tonks. His nickname came from band leader Billy Diamond, who compared him to piano legend Fat Waller and Fats Pinchin. Chart copy. The Fats Man 1949 became one of the first rock and roll records to sell a million copies. His string of 35 top 40 hits between 1955 to 1963 outsold every artist except Elvis Presley. Blueberry Hill alone sold over 5 million copies worldwide. Musical style and influence. Traditional blues met a beat, piano-driven rock and roll in Fat's signature sound. John Lennon called him a big influence, and Bruce Springsteen praised his joyful energy. His rolling piano style defined early rock and roll forever. Legacy and honor. Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inductee 1986. A cultural icon of New Orleans who shaped early rock and roll and inspired generations of artists worldwide. Later years, Hurricane Katrina and Farewell. After Hurricane Katrina in 2005, Fats Domino was rescued from his New Orleans home and later credited with surviving the storm. He lost much of his home and personal possessions. Fats kept a low public profile in his final years. He received the National Medal of Arts from President Clinton. He died on October 24th, 2017 at age 89 in Harvey, New Orleans. From the streets of New Orleans to the world, Fats Domino's music will live on forever. Thank you. Keep the rhythm. Subscribe to my channel.